Do you want to know how you can log into your Kindred Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kindred Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Kindred Payroll login. Now click on the second link which appears on your screen, or click on the third link. After you click on this link, it will take you to this page. You can see this the login portal or the login page of Kindred, and if it doesn't take you to the login page, you can see client login on here. So go ahead and click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this link. What you need to do is write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, make sure that it is associated with your Kindred Payroll account. Then move to the second box and write down your password. Check your password once, and after it is correct, go ahead and click login. This way, you can successfully log into your Kindred Payroll account. If you are having any kind of confusion about your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you want to follow. After you click on this link, it will tell you to enter your username and email address. Go ahead and write down your username and email address associated with your Kindred account, and then click on email reset instructions. A mail will be sent to you by Kindred Payroll, and then you can check your mail. Go ahead and click on the reset link, and then you can reset your account, and then you can log into your Kindred Payroll account once again. So guys, this is how you log into your Kindred Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.